2D to 3D workspace switching. By default, when you open AutoCAD any version, you will get 2D workspace. How to change this 2D workspace to 3D workspace? Just go here. Here you can see a gear icon. Near to the gear icon, you can see a drop down. Just click here, and here it is 3D basic or 3D modeling. You can use any one, but I just select this 3D modeling. So you will get complete 3D modeling workspace. Now the workspace changed to 3D modeling. These are all the tools we use to create 3D modeling. And here it is: solid and surface, mesh, visualize, like that, few tabs available. And here it is UCS. Still this UCS in 2D. How to change this UCS 2D to 3D? Just go to this view toolbar and just click here. You can see lots of styles. Select any one view: southwest, southeast, northeast and northwest. I just select this southeast. Now you can see three axes: X, Y and Z direction. So this is 3D. Now you are inside 3D workspace. Now you can make any 3D modeling and you can see the three-dimensional view.